Hello. Tong 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 pakitong kitong alimano sa dad.
Alam mo si Ballerina Cup.
Hindi ko kilala yun.
Si Grip Grip Attack.
I don't know. Ballerina cappuccino.
Sabi ng papa.
Hello. Thank you for watching, guys. 1 million.
Suratan mo lang ang sardilya.
Opo.
Ay, suratan mo lang din ang
Surat ka na lang dito. Okay? Oo.
Surat na din tira.
Opo. Drogon mo na lang. Okay. Alright. Thank you for the thumbs up. Hi, Michael Tian from France. Hello, bonjour, tout va bien, j'habite en France. En Bretagne, tout va bien. Thank you. Merci beaucoup, Michael Tian. Thank you for joining. Good evening, Princess. Good morning, Princess. Evening here now. Good morning there. You are from Brazil, Portugal, or Portugal. Thank you for joining.
Ma, nanonood ma. Pag nanonood nila.
Hey!
Bakal ka. Bay na tila.
Naano ka suod mo? Kuya Gab.
Matang ko na. Ang gahoy.
Good morning to you. Bakal ka na kaunta. Ako, may bawang.
Ala.
Ha?
Ako ba ala?
You want? Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. Thank you for 3 people. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Brazil. Are you from Brazil? Brazil, Pilipinas, Princess. Cheryl, thank you. Thank you, Elsibal. Disgusting. Thank you. Kumusta, Queen? Okay naman. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much for the thumbs up, guys. How are you now? Thank you for the like. Thank you. Thank you po. Mahal kita. Mahal kita. Mahal ang bigas. Thank you. Thank you, Disgusting Master Rank. Thank you so much. Thank you sa pagmamahal. Salamat sa pagmamahal. At least may nagmamahal. Mahal ang bigas. Magmamahal yung gas. Sana all may nagmamahal, no? Nah! Kalame. English. Okay. Give me blue jacket. I protect your channel. Thank you. Thank you, Disgusting Master Rank. Thank you so much. Hindi ho. Kaysa ako, may bawang sa ako. May bawang. Ang puti. Gusto ko puti.
Pero ang kuha mo sila.
Ikaw, bahala ka.
Hindi 20?
Tapos magbahala ka naman sila na puti. Ako malan. Ano lang, Ang sa ako, ito na mismo. Thank you for the 4 people. Opo. So, yun sa inyo. Tapos may bawang sa ako, ha? Thank you for the 4 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for the concerned citizen. Disgusting. Where are you now? Disgusting Master Rank. Where are you now? Where are you now? Dahil sa'yo. Sarap ng may nagana. Philippines ka? Hindi. Hindi ako Philippines. Pilipina ako. Pilipina. Oo. In my studio working. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Disgusting Master Rank. Thank you so much. Hi, for the 9 people in the house, thank you so much. 22 people, thank you for the 22 people. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. In my studio working. You have an studio? Disgusting Master Rank. Wow, salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Salamat naman. Thank you for the thumbs up. Wow, thank you. Oo, opo. Opo. Wow. Anong studio na mo? Pwede pa ano? Pa photoshoot ba? Salamat na sa nagtamsak sa tumatambay dyan. Salamat naman sa tumatambay, sa dumadaan, sa masumisilip. Thank you so much. Nagmamahal na ba sa'yo? Kung malay ako na lang, lahat ibibigay sa'yo. Thank you sa nagtatamsak. Elsie Ball, love Cheryl Brazil is. Thank you. Shout out to Elsie Ball from Brazil. Thank you. Thank you for joining Elsie Ball Music. Oh wow, Music Studio. You compose music a song? Do you compose song? A song? I write poem. Napang yung pangalaan. Masaya na ako. I make horror music copyrighted to Disgusting Clan. My team. Oh wow, that's good. Good job, Disgusting Master. Good job. Yes, Cheryl. Thank you, Elsie Ball. How old are you, Elsie Ball? How old are you? Salamat, Salamat, babe. Babe! Parang naalala ko yung ganyang tawag. I remember. Good. Naalala ko yan. Kung meron man, diba, hahanapin ka ng puso ko. Thank you for the thumbs up. is Lake Love. Lake Love. What's a Lake Love? Different, ano. Lake Love. Thank you for the 6 people in the house. Salamat. Ingo Pinoy. Volume 11. Volume 2. Kasangga ko. Founder. Hi. Hi po. Ingo Pinoy. LOL. LOL Master. Salamat po sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm in love with your face. Old face. You're in love with the old face. You in love the wrinkles. Maray nagbanggi. Maray nabanggi. Kasangga ko. Ingo Pinoy. Hello. Shout out to you. Good evening, beautiful Cheryl. Hi, Sir Chester Hegson. Hi, sir. Good evening. And good morning to you. Masarap po. Nay. Hanip yan. Hanip sa masarap yan. Master. Master. Saan banda yung masarap? Saan banda? Salamat sa nagtatthumbs up. Thank you so much. And sa tumatambay. Guys, hit the like button. Thank you, team. Thank you so much, my team. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Sa tumatambay, thank you so much. 6 people in the house. Shout out to you guys. Where are you from? Yes! Thumbs up for more. Thank you, more. I love you more. God bless you more. Magandang gabi. Good evening, everyone. Jonathan Tyros. Hello, Sir Jonathan. Thank you for joining the, salamat sa pagpunta. Oh, thank you, Gab.
Kawa po punta ako sa bata.
Kawatong ka? Thank you. Come on, come on. Thank you for the, joining.
Thumbs up.
For the thumbs up.
Thumbs up. May, mga trader mo.
Opo.
Miss Tanggol. Tanggol. Lapay ko sa Tanggol.
Papara papa papara papa papang. No. Shut the door. Gab, ay, ang lock. Ay, lock na.
Lock.
The lock.
It's broken.
Broke the lock. Ouch. No lock.
Nasurat ang mga pagdilihan.
Fix it. Lock the door. Oh. Nagbakal ka punta dun sa imo.
Bawamper
Ah.
Oh, nalihan ko lang. Ama, ayaw na yan, di ba? Buklat ah. Ay, ano?
Eh, ano mo ka para makahero lata kita. Eh, ano mo, Gab? Eh, ano mo? Bukada, sino ma? Bidi.
Puro. Ito lang.
Okay lang. Kaya po. Makuryente ka. Ayaw mo na, ayaw mo na. Nawara, sunan ano. lang, wait lang. No, hindi maano kayo.
Nakasaksak ito.
Native yan.
Huwag ang tanggol.
Thank you for the, ano, I like it. Looks like, oh my goodness.
Oh, padala na.
Ano yun?
Tanggol.
Tanggol?
Ba? Inatay ko pa no.
Ba dyan?
Ayan. Mother.
May gusto ako sa'yo po. Bakit mo ako gusto? Bakit mo ako gusto? Anong dahilan? Lol. Anong dahilan? Ba't mo ako gusto? Maraming dahilan. Be respectful of our time. Calm down. Calm down. It's fine. It's okay. Hindi naman ako kamahal-mahal sa personal. Sa social media lang. Mukha lang akong ano. Sa personal, barot. Barot. Kumusta? Nasaan ka na ba? Nasa mabuti ka bang kalagayan? Your lips are my favorite. Sweet like ice cream, love. Oh my god. Master. You're blind. I'm not like that. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Thank you for the 9 people in the house. Thank you. Oh my God. Who texts you? No. I don't know. Look, I just hear. Send? No. Oh, something like that. I don't know. How I know? Something like that. How I know? Up, 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 up. May nagmamahal na ba sa'yo? Thank you for the 13 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hindi kayang ilarawan ng mga salitang pag-ibig ko para sa'yo, babe. Oh my goodness. Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Hindi mo ako kilala. You never know. Diba? Huwag mo lang subukan. Masisira ang buhay ko. Ay, ang buhay mo. Ah! But it's easy, Shadow. He said he didn't explain. No words can explain the love. No word can explain. He feel love for me. Wow. So wow. No words can explain. No words. I do. You do? So what? Ay, mailarawan. I don't know how to explain. Hindi mailarawan sa salita. Yes, friend. Hindi mailarawan sa salita. No word. No words can define. Tama ba? Like that? Yeah, define. I think God made you. Oh my God. I think God made you delicious. I like that. Oh my God. Maybe you're drunk? I don't drink, Lloyd. Okay. Why you say that? I drink water. Me, I drink Coke. Cheers, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Cheers, kaibigan. Cheers, friend. Kaibigan means friend. Thank you for that 11 people in the house. Thank you so much. Ah! Ah! Walang anuman. Disgusting English. Yes. How old are you? Disgusting. I think you're young. For your information, I'm 40 years old and I'm old. Getting old. You look, alam mo ba yung wrinkles? May wrinkles na. Today I do workout. Okay. $900 push-up. Ah? Really? Lied. I'm 42. Hey, twin. No. Hi, Queen. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Buklad mo na gabi kung matulog ka. Buklad mo na. Dili, buka mo. What is your real age? Disgusting. Yes. What is your real age? David, namatay. Ah. Ay, nakakaiyak yung ano. Ay, nakakaiyak yung ano. Anong pangalan sa da?
Anggol.
Batang Quiapo. Ay, ayoko. Kainan. Gumising ka, Tal! David! Oh my God. So loud. Yeah. TV series. It's a drama. Action drama. The... Oh my God. Kayak. You buy too much. Not too much. This is just one. Just one pack. Just one pack. You know, I always buy this color. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, ha ha ha. Disgusting 900 push-up, and I walk 200 miles today in 30 minutes. In 30 miles in 2,000 miles today and 30 minutes. Oh my God. You're lying, guys. You're lying. Oh my God. Still here. I am lying, yes. Yes! Oh my God, 2,000 miles in 30 minutes? Oh. I don't care when you are, where you are. My God. Calm down. And 900 push-up, right? I like your smile. Hoy, Gab. Gabriel. Gab. Ano mo na, ikaw naturog ka. Thank you for the 7 people in the house. Salamat. So why don't you answer the host on your legal real age? Yes. What is your real age, this master? The real age. Hi, thank you for the 14 thumbs up. Salamat sa nanonood. Please, thank you so much. May nagmamahal na ba sa'yo? Kung ay ako na. He is probably in the 60 or no? Or so. Why you know? It's okay. It's okay. It's just the age is just a number. Wait. Sarah. Yes, but we just want the truth. Okay. I know. Where are the regulars tonight? Maybe they are busy. It's okay. It's fine. Tapat at hindi babaero. Anong 5 uri ng lalaki ang tapat at hindi babaero? Ano daw yan? Is there a typhoon coming near you soon? I don't know. Gab, paano ba yan, Gab? Gabriel. Bakla din na dong, Gab. Gabriel. Paano ba yan, Gab?
Mommy, it's
Ah.
too.
I don't know if type of... Oh, need to, ano? I need to fix the roof. Oh my God. Before typhoon coming, need to fix the roof. The roof. The roof. Oh my God.
Mom,
Ay, ano ba kayo?
yun mga nagtuturo. Kuhaan yan hanggang hima.
Wala, 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 wala.
Gao.
Listen.
Didi. Siladangan yun.
Listen, wala, wala.
Ama, tanggal niya kay Hulos.
Lutang na. Okay, wait lang. Kaya na. Ayun na, huluso na dito. Inano mo pa dito. Mahuluso na ko to. Gab, gab. Andan na. Mali ka doon. Ikutan mo pa doon. Talaga. Binutang mahuluso na. Kano na din na? Bibigyan mo naman ako sa iyo. Ano so, niloso na. Ang patong mo pa doon, hulusan mo na yan ano. Pinatong mo pa, hulusan mo na. Hulusan mo talaga, pinatong mo pa. Pinatong mo pa. Ano so, hulusan na. Hindi ko siyang maturog. Diyan na lang mo. Pwede ho. Ano ito kayo? Ano ito? Matang mo dito. Hi, Jose. I guess I hurt disgusting feeling. No need. No need to hurt. No need to hurt. Hi, Jose. Guys, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Welcome, Jose. Please speak English. It helps the host to learn better things. Thank you. I wonder if you will get monetized without a bank account. Yeah, I need to. I will get bank account soon, as soon as possible. Yeah, need a bank account. Get monetized. Before, when I monetized last year, I get the salary from YouTube. I use my nephew bank account because I have no bank account. But this time, if I get monetized my channel here now on YouTube, I need own bank account. I need to fix the paper, the documents. You know it. Oh, main Holinda. Hi, Jose. Thank you. Yes, you need own account. Yes. Yes, I need own bank account. Good evening, sis. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Thank you for the 15 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Sa imo yung maribokon? Maribok. Thank you for the 8 people in the house. Disgusting. Must of feel sleep for doing 900 push-ups. It's okay. Welcome, Christy from Team. Thank you, Team. Thank you, sis. Welcome. Girl.
Bulong. Diba ayaw ka kami susurada ng baba? Bulong. Opo. Wala lang ng
Tahimik na. Baby, baby. Okay. Bye-bye. Need to end the live now. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow again. See you later. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for the thumbs up and joining. Hope you join again tomorrow. Salamat ulit. Thank you, guys. God bless. Love you all. Bye.